Welcome to J.B.I. Design. Today we will be discussing how to design and build your own drone. To design your own drone, you have to have an idea of what you're going to do. Okay, this cannot just be something that happens instantly. You're going to have to do a rough sketch of your design on a piece of paper, any piece of paper really. I use a scrapbook. But what you want to do is you want to design something with the pencil. From there, you want to go ahead and look into getting an AutoCAD desk. AutoCAD 2018 student version, it doesn't matter. This is very helpful when you want to learn how to design, draft, 3D model. It's very useful. But going into designing your own drone, you want to have an idea of what it's going to look like. If it's going to have 4 propellers or 3 or 2, you want to have a real good idea what it's going to have. For example, of what I have drawn so far. This is my drone that I've built. Well, I'm in the middle of building. Example. You can see that instead of it having the normal quadcopter view, drone view, it has what we call bladeless outputs on all 4. It's a little bit longer body with a more of a flat nose, not no angle. You continue to add design ports where the fans, you just pretty much work with it as you design, as you build your drone. It pretty much is up to you on how you want this to look. Anything can happen. So you go from this, you slowly start designing your parts. It pretty much doesn't matter on how you start the design. You can start off with just half and work your way from there. A plus to designing is that it's more cost effective. You know the parts that you want to use. You know how much you want to spend instead of going and spending, I guess, $200, $300 for the device that's already completed. That it's only a 50 or 85% chance is guaranteed that it's going to work. Whereas you building it yourself, designing it yourself, knowing how you want it to work, how you want it to perform, has a greater chance, 90-95%, that it's going to work. You're going to love it. It's something that is not gonna sit down in your garage or underneath your desk. You have more fun with it. Just designing by itself has a level of interest to many people. Like for myself, I design a lot of things, but I haven't built them. For example, the drone. I started designing the drone. I went to Home Depot and I got sheet metal, very thin sheet metal for the price of $10. That's all I needed to build already 85% of my drone. Now all I need to do is go and buy the hardware, which is not expensive at all. Couple motors, PVC board, come out to $100. So instead of me spending like $350 on a drone that's already built, already put together, all I have to do is turn it on and fly it to something that I can build on my own design for less than $200. That's simple. It is easier to design and build your own stuff than to go and buy something off the internet. That's simple.